Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Brandon and today I have another video for you guys for Sprezza box. You guys know that I really enjoy the monthly boxes. Some of the other ones that I get are Gentleman's Box and Birch Box. But Sprezza box is really similar to the Gentleman's Box. But this one's $28 a month and the other one's $29. But again, they're similar because they both give you socks, they both give you ties, and they both give you pocket squares and other various items like tie bars and cufflinks and things like that. But this is Sprezza box for the month of June. So let's open it up and see what we got inside for this month. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so you got your typical cards that you get. Now this one is called the Hillcrest, and it says, "Oh boy, did we go over budget this month." I like to hear that. Our team really wanted to send it out of the park with a mix of formal and fun, but most importantly, a new timepiece. Dive in. Timepiece means watch. So excited to see that. And on the box it has like the full prices, the retail price of the items, but you know, to me that's a bunch of nonsense. You also get for this month, $120 wine voucher. So from what I noticed, when they give you vouchers like this, so let's say it's $120 wine voucher, well, you probably gotta spend $200 to even get anything from this particular website. But hey, I'm not a wine drinker, so. All right, so first things, I like the colors. We have a pink tie with white polka dots. Real men wear pink. I'm a firm believer in that. This tie is actually kind of nice. Not sure if you guys can see the white dots, but it's pink with white dots, white polka dots. Next we have some blue socks with flamingos on them. Well, I live in Florida, so I could probably pull this off. And then also got something made by Razor MD. Let's see what this is. I didn't look at the card yet, so I don't know what any of this stuff is. Looks like tweezers. If it is, that's good because dudes, you gotta take care of your eyebrows. They feel like a pretty good quality tweezers. You can't be walking around with one eyebrow, a unibrow. You gotta take care of them. So that's good to have. What else we got? Got a pocket square, just blue and white stripes. I like pocket squares. I like the different patterns and things that you can mix up with it. The other cool thing about these boxes is all this is coordinated together. You can wear this tie with these socks and this pocket square and it all kind of match. Now let's check out that watch, that over-the-top watch, that timepiece. It's made by Eleven or Elevon, but it looks like 11 to me. This is actually a really nice watch. Kind of looks like a Timex or like a Vincero watch, if you've ever heard of them. That's a cool looking watch. Got the brown leather strap and got the blue dial. This actually ain't a bad watch. I might start wearing this one. Very dressy. So you would definitely want to wear this with like a suit or business casual. But let's check the prices of everything and see, you know, if we really got a steal. So we'll start with the tie, which is made by Sprezza. Sprezza makes their own ties now. This would retail for 25 bucks. You could probably actually get it for like 10. The socks go for $10. They're made by Weekend Casuals. That's not a bad price, 10 bucks. The pocket square goes for $22, which is made by Ansley and Troop. A little bit expensive. And again, tweezers, you can get these for like 12 bucks, but this says 20 on here. But these are pretty good. They're metal and they're actually decently well made. Now the watch says it goes for $105. Maybe, I'm not really sure. I know Timepieces go for like 60 bucks, like the weekenders, or like 30 bucks, something like that. You know, that's kind of high for full retail price. But overall, I like the things that came in this month for the month of June. I'm a fan of Sprezza box. If you're looking for something to, you know, give you socks and ties and pocket squares, especially if you're in the business world wearing suits or business casual, and you're not very good at matching things up, these boxes are actually really good. And you get little goodies every month. Again, $28 for this box. But that's it, guys. That's all I got for this box for the month of June. And if you're interested in the other boxes, you should check them out. I'll put the link right up here, and got it in a playlist. But that's it for this. Thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and definitely like this video because that helps me out a lot and helps this channel out. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.